video, we're going to learn how to put hearing aids that go behind the ear on. This is probably one of the hardest parts for a lot of people, and that's okay. The more you practice, the better you get at it. So for a lot of people, it's easier to do it in front of a mirror so that you can see yourself when you're putting it on. But this part right here is going to go behind the ear. It has a little wire that comes up that's going to go over. And then this little piece right here is going to go in your ear canal. And then this little tail on it is actually going to go in this little cave area in your ear. So a lot of people like to put it on by putting this piece in the back of your ear first, kind of like your glasses. It just sits back there. And then you want this piece to go into your ear canal, and you want to push it in. With one finger is usually easier. And you just push it in there until this wire becomes nice and snug against your ear. And you'll see that little tail already went into my cave of my ear. If it's not in there, just put it in yourself. Some people prefer to put it in the opposite way though. So some people, this isn't the way I like to do it, so it might be a little harder for me. Some people like to put this piece in first, and then they put this part on afterwards. Obviously, I'm not as good at that part, but once it's on, you can barely even tell that it's in.